Inflation rate is the percentage increase in the prices of goods and services around you over time, usually a year. Here are 3 ways to beat inflation. Earn more than the inflation rate, create multiple income sources, build high returns asset classes portfolio. Let's dive in deeper into these solutions. Many of us don't know the inflation rate in our country. So we tend to be happy with how much ever increment we get in our jobs, which is usually the same or less than the inflation rate in the country. The closer your increment is to the inflation rate, the more difficult it becomes to save. If you think your current job profile does not command high salary, then it is time you upskill yourself. Spend an hour or 2 to learn some high-paying skills online to change your job and earn more. Well, we'll talk more about this topic in a future video. Till then, subscribe to this channel for similar bite-sized practical content on things they did not teach you at school. Let's get back to the video. If you are already in a high-income job, in that case, it is time you start working on your second option, which is creating multiple sources of income. There are many traditional and creative ways to create income channels. Some traditional ones can be taking up freelance jobs or starting a small company that generates some profit. While the non-traditional methods are smarter and harder, these ideas can generate you money while you're sleeping, such as creating online course or building a software or mobile app that people can subscribe to. Another unorthodox way to silently make more money, or should I say save money, is to know which of your current possession is an asset and which one is a liability, and to remove that falls under the latter category. If an asset requires recurring maintenance every month, calculate how much you would have spent if you did not have that asset. If your answer is less than the monthly maintenance cost, then that is not an asset but a liability. Start working on these things before it affects your life. And this brings us to the end of this video. If you are interested to know more about inflation, click on the video below. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Anubhav. This is Rebreed. See you in the next video.